scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Limits can look scary, but we will solve this one in seconds. Watch how we handle this fraction as x approaches 0. Let's go.
First, we check the form by plugging 0 into the numerator and denominator. Since 2 times 0 minus sine of 0 is 0, we definitely have an indeterminate 0 over 0 case. Since we have 0 over 0, apply L'Hopital's rule by differentiating the top and bottom. The top derivative is 2 minus cosine x, and the bottom becomes 2 cosine x. Now plug in 0 again. Since cosine of 0 is 1, we get 2 minus 1 over 2, which equals 1/2. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Always trust given values and check steps carefully.